All right, what's going on, guys? We are out for a ride tonight, and this is Matt's 2013 Dyna Street Bob, and we're gonna compare some of these LED turn signal pods. I don't know how well it's gonna show up on camera, but these ones here are basically just Amazon cheap Chinese budget pods, and they basically just look like white blobs, so we can't really tell, but they look very similar in the daylight to the Custom Dynamics pods. They've got a ring that lights up white, and the internal lights go orange for the turn signals. He said the installation was pretty straightforward, basically the same as anything else, other than the actual knob that or the actual connection that goes into the bulb post was silicone. It didn't have like a physical knob to grab on and twist, so it was just a bit difficult to get it in. Otherwise, they look very similar to Custom Dynamics. All right, these are the actual Custom Dynamics LED pods. These are on Nathan's 2011 Softail Blackline. In comparison with the Amazons, they basically look identical. They've got like the little bulb housings over the LEDs, and they have a white ring, and then the center lights up amber on flash, as you can see there. Oh, actually, it looks like the lights, the center ones go out.
Yeah, the ring goes out.
I think Matt's ring stays on.
Yeah, Matt's rings stay on, but the Custom Dynamics.
Yeah, so Custom Dynamics, the actual outer ring goes out, and then it fully flashes amber. With the Chinese ones that we got on Amazon, the ring stays on and just the inside flashes amber. And then we'll show you the back ones too. He's got the rears on, which are super bright. Crazy bright. Really, really high quality LEDs. Okay, the last ones we're comparing are the Rogue Rider Industries LED pods. These ones look a lot different. Like when they're off, you actually see the board and then the little LED right soldered to the board. They don't have like a lens cover like the Custom Dynamics and the Chinese ones. And the cool thing with these ones, if you can hit the signal there, Nate.
A little bit more of a blue light on this too.
Yeah, it's like a little cooler temperature, and what happens is the white stays on, and then every light flashes orange, which is like the unique thing with these lights. I really like them. The other thing I wanted to mention is the installation on these is a little bit easier than the Chinese ones. Both the Rogue Rider Industry lights, we can see if we can kind of see what they look like a little bit more with them off. You can kind of see the actual LEDs. Yeah, kind of see the actual LEDs in there, versus these guys got like the actual little bulbs that cover the LEDs, which I think looks, I don't know, I think it looks a little cleaner that way personally, but that's all personal preference. So these both installed really easy. Like I know the Rogue Rider Industry ones, they've got like a big metal tab that you use to plug it into the actual light socket, so it's really easy to get it in, seated, and then twist it. And then what the Custom Dynamics were the same, right, Nate?
Yeah, they're the same.
Yeah, so super easy, a little bit easier to go in than the Chinese ones. The other thing we should mention is the Chinese ones that Matt had on his Street Bob. He actually had to buy two. Well, he bought one set of them. The first set like completely malfunctioned, and they sent him a second set, and those ones have been working for at least like a couple weeks or a month. So something to consider anyways if you're in the market.